Stephie.
Restless, so restless. I'm missing you, baby, is making me crazy and blue. Restless, so restless. Sitting here wishing I was hugging and kissing on you. Well, I wake up every hour, home the hour every night. Counting down the minutes till you're here to hold me tight. This bed is full of empty when I'm lying here alone. I got a deep desire, baby, come back home. I'm restless, so restless. I'm missing you, baby, it's making me crazy and blue. Yeah. Restless. Well, I walked 100 miles, pacing up and down the halls. Another pot of coffee and I'm bouncing off the walls. Smoking like a chimney, cursing up a storm. Damn, I need your loving, baby, come back home. I'm restless, so restless. I'm sitting here wishing I was hugging and kissing on you. Oh yeah. Sitting here wishing I was hugging and kissing on you. Restless, so restless. Restless, so restless. Take it down. Oh yeah. Ooh, baby, why don't you just come on back home? Oh yeah. No, sitting here wishing I was hugging and kissing on you. Restless.
This dance is Duck Soup, choreographed by Frank Trace. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1 starting with the right foot, side chassé, rock back, recover, side chassé, rock back, recover, turning a quarter right to face 3 o'clock. Section 2, right toe strut, left toe strut, step forward, pivot a half turn, left shuffle forward, right, left, right. Now facing 9 o'clock. Section 3, rock forward, recover, coaster step, side touch, side touch. Last section, walk back, right, left, side touch. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.